Today is Tuesday, December 10th, and this is another update on my progress beating the S&P 500 along with Bill Ackman's Pershing Square holdings. I do make these videos every Tuesday and Sunday, so if you want to follow along, hit that subscribe button and let's get into it. Since my last update, I did decide to keep my portfolio exactly the same. The markets have come down a little bit, but I don't think that they've come down quite enough for me to go ahead and reinvest what I trimmed on the last update. This is what the SPY chart's going to look like with the RSI chart on the bottom. On the last update, the RSI was right at the 70 mark, which is also the day that I trimmed those 7 positions. Over the last 2 days, the RSI has come down, but that also means that the SPY price has come down as well. On Monday, the streak of the SPY price being above the 5-day, which was currently at 11 trading sessions, finally broke, and right now it sits below the 5-day but still above the 15, and today it closed right at this green trend line. I was going to reinvest the money that I trimmed once the SPY price reached the green trend line, but with back-to-back red days, I'm actually going to wait and see if the momentum drags it below the 15, ideally like the situation we had towards the middle of November. These are going to be all 11 of my current positions. Right now, Amazon, Meta, Nvidia, Apple, and Microsoft make out my top 5, and those are going to account for 51.62% of my portfolio. PayPal and Amazon are still my 2 biggest winners right now. Goldman Sachs decided to join Welltower in the red gang, but luckily those 2 are my smallest positions. I am at 83.09% invested, which means I have 16.91% sitting in cash. I would like to get the cash percentage down to 10%, but I'm going to wait until the SPY price crosses below the 15. Since Monday, my portfolio saw a decline of 0.96%. The S&P 500 had a drop of 0.87, and Pershing Square had a gain of 1.55, which brings us year to date. My portfolio has a gain of 36.75%. The S&P 500 is at a gain of 27.24, and Pershing Square is at a gain of 9.06. That's going to do it for today. I do make these videos every Tuesday and Sunday, so if you want to follow along, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you on Sunday.